Top 20 Selenium Locators Interview Questions. Question 1. What locator is used to select an element by ID? A. ID. B. Name. C. XPath. D. cssSelector. The correct answer is A. ID. The ID attribute is used for selecting elements by their unique ID. Question 2. Which locator is best for selecting elements using attribute? A. ID. B. Name. C. XPath. D. cssSelector. The correct answer is C. XPath. XPath allows searching elements by various attributes efficiently. Question 3. Which locator is used to select by visible text? A. XPath. B. cssSelector. C. Link text. D. Partial link text. The correct answer is C. Link text. The link text locator selects elements by their exact visible text. Question 4. What is the purpose of partial link text in locators? A. Find elements by partial text match. B. Select elements using class name. C. Select by tag name. D. Select elements by href attribute. The correct answer is A. Find elements by partial text match. Partial link text locates elements using part of the link text. Question 5. Which locator is based on element's position in DOM? A. ID. B. XPath. C. cssSelector. D. Tag name. The correct answer is B. XPath. XPath allows element location based on its position in the DOM. Question 6. Which locator targets elements using CSS attributes? A. cssSelector. B. XPath. C. Name. D. ID. The correct answer is A. cssSelector. CSS selectors are used to find elements by CSS attributes. Question 7. What locator is used for locating elements by name attribute? A. ID. B. Name. C. XPath. D. Tag name. The correct answer is B. Name. The name locator is used for locating elements by their name attribute. Question 8. Which locator can select elements by their class? A. ID. B. Name. C. XPath. D. Class name. The correct answer is D. Class name. The class name locator selects elements based on their class attribute. Question 9. How do you locate an element using CSS and ID? The correct answer is C. In CSS, the ID is selected using a hash symbol. Question 10. Which locator is based on element's tag name? A. XPath. B. ID. C. Tag name. D. Class name. The correct answer is C. Tag name. The tag name locator selects elements by their HTML tag name. Question 11. What is the correct CSS syntax for selecting a class? The correct answer is A. Question 12. Which locator uses elements' relative position in DOM? A. XPath. B. Name. C. Link text. D. Tag name. The correct answer is A. XPath. XPath locates elements based on their position within the DOM structure. Question 13. Which locator targets elements using their text content? A. Partial link text. B. XPath. C. Name. D. ID. The correct answer is A. Partial link text. Partial link text locates elements by partial matching the visible text. Question 14. How would you locate elements by their href attribute? A. xpath. B. cssSelector. C. Link text. D. ID. The correct answer is B. cssSelector. CSS selectors can locate elements by their href attribute. Question 15. Which locator finds elements by a tag's name? A. cssSelector. B. xpath. C. Tag name. D. Class name. The correct answer is C. Tag name. The tag name locator selects elements by their HTML tag name. Question 16. What is the most efficient locator for a unique element? A. ID. B. xpath. C. Name. D. cssSelector. The correct answer is A. ID. ID locators are the fastest and most reliable for unique elements. Question 17. Which locator works with both ID and class? A. xpath. B. cssSelector. C. Link text. D. Name. The correct answer is B. cssSelector. CSS selectors can select elements by both ID and class attributes. Question 18. Which locator is most flexible for complex queries? A. xpath. B. cssSelector. C. Name. D. Link text. The correct answer is A. xpath. xpath allows for complex and versatile queries to locate elements. Question 19. Which locator is least efficient? A. ID. B. xpath. C. cssSelector. D. Tag name. The correct answer is B. xpath. xpath can be slower due to its complex nature compared to others. Question 20. What is the CSS selector for selecting all elements with class? The correct answer is A. CSS uses dot to select elements by class attribute.